How's it going, everybody? Today's ready to run RC that I'm going to feature on the channel is this VolantexRC Vector 28. I must say, it is packaged rather nicely. You get your instruction manual, little sheet talking about low battery precautions, and this is for your transmitter, a little manual for your transmitter. So, enough of the boring stuff. It does come with a USB charger. Love that. Comes with a boat stand, a little wrench to do your work, and a very tiny, looks like a half a millimeter, maybe 1 millimeter hex wrench or Allen wrench. And then it comes with a spare propeller. So looking at the transmitter, it's a pretty nice looking transmitter. It does require 4 AA batteries. So on the transmitter, in the back here, you have the on-off switch. This button up top here, it changes your servo angle, and then you can reverse your steering with this button here and reverse your throttle as well. And then your left and right. I do like this transmitter. It's a good looking transmitter. The steering and throttle are both proportional. Now they claim this boat can travel up to 30 kilometers per hour, which is that in mileage. That's pretty fast for this little boat. I'm anxious to see how it's going to handle in the water. So you turn this little latch here to unlock it and open it up. And inside you have a 7.4 volt, 360 milliamp battery. The battery does come with Velcro stuck to the back, and then there's Velcro inside the boat, which will prevent the battery from sliding around. The charging time for this battery takes roughly an hour, and you get about 10 minutes of run time with it. It is a water-cooled brushed motor. The water comes through this tube on the bottom and then goes through the boat and then across the motor, and then it spits it out the side. This is a pretty basic boat, but I am very anxious to get this thing out in the water. So we're gonna go ahead, charge this thing up, and then we're gonna head to the lake. So here we are out at the lake, and we're going to go ahead and put this Vector 28 in the water and see how well it does. The water seems kind of calm, so I'm glad it's not too choppy. We have some feathered friends out there. I don't think they're going to stick around too long once we get this thing in the water and going full speed. But to get going, I'm going to go ahead. You have to open the hatch here, plug in your battery. Nope. I heard some juice. Stick it to the Velcro to put the lid on. Just gonna go like that, and then latch it closed, and hopefully it stays watertight. Now that we have the boat on, we're gonna go ahead and turn on the transmitter, and I think that means it's bound. We'll give it a little bit of throttle, see if, oh, yep, we're good. We'll put this in the water. Now it says to go real slow in the very beginning, just so you know that the trim is right. And now I have, oh, there we go. I don't know why. I have no idea why it's not going. And now I have a boat stuck in the water. Let's turn this off, turn it back on, see if it binds. There we go. Now we got the boat going. And once again, it cuts out. Still not binding. Nothing yet. Still not binding. Now it's bound. Let's bring it back here, because okay, this isn't good. What the heck? Well, that didn't go as planned, but I did get the boat back. If you didn't see how I got it back, check out this video right here. It's a little entertaining. But yeah, so I got the boat back, and I'm not sure exactly what went wrong. Did I have low batteries in the transmitter, or did I have a low battery in the boat? Was I out of range? I have no idea. But I'm gonna try it out in like a smaller pond, and hopefully if it does go out of range or it just cuts out on me, it'll be a little easier to get back. But yeah, let's go ahead out and take two. So let's just let it go, see what happens. We'll keep it close to shore here. I don't want to lose signal. Oh, see there, it just cut out. I have no idea why. Go ahead, turn this off, turn it back on. Hopefully we can get a bind again. It's flashing. There, we got a bind. See if we can get this closer to the shore. It does have a ESC, so that could be the problem. I mean, as long as I don't go full throttle, it seems to be doing all right. But as soon as I throttle it full throttle, oh, now it just shut off. I'm gonna take this giveaway boat here, and I'm gonna open it up and just test it to see if it runs the same as the one that don't run, or if this one actually does work well. Okay, you heard that. That means we got some activity going on there. The ESC is flashing, so it's trying to bind with the controller. So go ahead, turn the controller on, and solid reds on both, so that means it's bound. And we're gonna go ahead and drop it in the water right there, and hopefully it runs all right. Let's go full speed. Oh, let's. Whoa, it actually torpedoed under the water. If you cut it too hard, if you cut it too hard like that, it'll torpedo under the water. Okay, so it does cut real hard. And you know what? I'm looking at the water cooling system, and I see water. It looks like I see water shooting out the side there that cools. Okay, so far no issues. I mean, it's been going back and forth, and I've been doing about three-quarter throttle. Yeah. So my conclusion is I got a bad boat. Uh-oh. Looks like I picked up a leaf. There we go. So See, this thing goes pretty nicely. So that is the problem. I have a bad boat, but I still am not trusting it enough to go way out in the middle. I'll keep it along the shore here. There's full speed. Oh yeah. Yeah, so enough of this, and let's talk about, this is the Zingo Racing 1/32 scale buggy. I think the buggy name is like Velocis, but it is from Zingo Racing, and that will be coming up next. So thanks for watching. Thank you everybody for subscribing, because this channel is growing, and I appreciate it. So thank you for subscribing and watching, and I'll see you on the next Ready to Run RC.